On his second day back from Vatican City, Cardinal Luis Antonio Tagle is back on familiar ground. A former student and teacher at the Ateneo de Manila University, he addresses the 2013 graduating class. He bows to one of the school vice presidents, displaying the classic humility that made him a social media favorite for the papacy. The shy cardinal gets personal, sharing how the media attention in the run-up to the election made him so uncomfortable he stopped watching TV, checking the internet, and reading newspapers.
Naglalakad po ako doon sa isang kalye. Biglang may mga Italiano nagdagsaan. Sabi, oh, Il Cardinale Filipino, pwede bang magpa-photo? Ako po ay natutunaw, no? Parang gusto kong magdasal na lumindol nawa at bumuka ang lupa at lamunin tayong lahat, no? Parang mawala na lang tayo. Parang ayaw mo, no? Di ba? Yan ang tinuro sa atin ng mga Jesuits eh. Wag ka, dapat humble ka eh.
At first he thought the attention was suffocating, but he found new perspective talking to one Filipina working overseas in Padua.
Sabi niya, alam po niyo, kahit hindi kayo ang naging papa, nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo. Nakilala ng mundo ang Pilipino. At nung kayo po ay laging binabanggit sa dyaryo at sa TV, ang mga amo namin naging mabait sa amin. Parang tumaas ang dangal namin.
Tagle truly is in his home court. The crowd laughs and claps along with the cardinal. Tagle even gets teary-eyed when talking about finding God.
Kapag may mga lumalapit sa akin at nagsasabi, I feel lost, ang nasasabi ko, just wait to be found. As you are searching for God, God is searching for you.
His message about feeling lost resonates with the students about to leave school. Klein Aquino says Tagle's advice about having faith and patience is reassuring since he is graduating without a job.
I'm gonna be unemployed for a couple of months, or if I'm lucky, a month or two. But I'll just be patient. I'll just be hopeful.
Tagle's message is heartfelt. As he cries, he notices some of the audience gets emotional with him.
Ba't kayo umiiyak? Sabi ko, hindi ako iiyak eh. Pero anong magagawa ko? No.
He closes his commencement address by calling on the students to live a life of service and a life for God.
Naway marami pang tao, lalo na ang bansang Pilipinas, ay manumbalik sa tunay na pakay ng buhay, papalabas sa sarili.
The audience embraces the message and responds with a loud standing ovation. Catherine Visconti, Rappler, Manila.